Hi, you join me today at the beautiful Shearwater where I'm going to do a spot and method feeder fishing for bream. And I just want to go through with you how I actually set up this inline method feeder and the benefits of using it. So first of all, you've got your end of your main line or shock leader. We've got a tail rubber, so that just threads straight onto the line, like so. Today I'm using a 45 gram method. The reason behind that is because I'm casting around about 60 metres. I need a nice heavy feeder to get out there and present the bait properly on the bottom. So put the line through the method feeder, attach the tail rubber to the method. The next thing I do is tie a small overhand loop in the end of your line. Just wet that. Cut this off with the scissors. Now this is for the method connector. This is a number of uses which I'll go into in a moment. But so straight on the end of your loop there, and that sits lovely, perfectly inside the method feeder. So it's all nice and in line so you don't start moving around when you're casting. But one of the benefits of it as well is it's got a double end opening, which means that you can attach your hook length like that, just press it shut, and then you're fishing. But the best part about this, what I like, is, again, if you push the sleeve over, you can actually take the method connector off with your hook still on it, undo the tail rubber, pull the line out and use a pellet feeder. So all I'll do then is just put the loop inside the pellet feeder, push it down, little needle just to pull the loop back through. Again, attach the method connector, pull the sleeve in the centre so none of the hook length or the main line can come off. Attach the tail rubber and then you're away fishing again. As simple as that.